For Boys 13 category, bracket A, please proceed to field number 5. Field number 5, Boys 13 category, Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Boys 13 category, please proceed to field number 5. Field number 5, Boys 13 category, bracket A, Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Followed by, please prepare lang, Wolves versus Intangibles. Boys 13, Wolves versus Intangibles. So after sa Compostela PUFC Aces, Boys 13 category, next game ang Wolves versus Intangibles. Same bracket na sila, bracket A. Please proceed to field number 5. Please proceed now. For Mix 7 category, semi-final game at 1 p.m. Mix 7 category, semi-final game at 1 p.m. For Boys 17 category, semi-final game at 1:30 p.m. Semi-final game for Boys 17, 1:30 p.m. Paging referee Junjun, please proceed sa referee's area.
Disgrasya pa kasi. Hiram daw sila. Hiram.
For Mix 11 quarter-final game, will start later at 1 p.m.
Paging John Carbonilla, ref. Ato lang din sa referee's area. John Carbonilla.
Quarter finalists for Mixed 11, Turtle Grounds, Aces, Rizal Red Eagles, RMC, Intangibles, CR7, Dolor Thunders, and Rovers. Mixed 11 quarter finalist teams, Turtle Grounds, Aces, Rizal Red Eagles, RMC, Intangibles, CR7, Dolor Thunders, and Rovers FC. Please wait for the announcement sa inyong quarterfinals.
Hi! Sunod sila. Ulit, tanding sa
For boys 13 category, please proceed now at field number 5, Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Boys 13 category, proceed to field number 5 now.
Ay, di ba naka-score man mag-squad? Yes, Southfield. One loss.
One loss,
Nya,
one draw
tulos
kanino.
sila niya. Tulos.
Dili,
One win.
One win pa
Sila,
sila.
nakadaw pa nila ang Spidoy.
Kung madaog sila ni Ron.
Nagkalaban na sila, oy.
Naglaban wala po.
Ano na, oy? 2-1. Ay, 2-0.
Buot ka, tulo-tulo.
Di ba naglaban sila na Spidoy?
Ay, nagpabot-bot, Jay.
Tulos. One win.
Boys 13 category, Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Please proceed to field 5. Referee, please proceed to field 5. Compostela PUFC versus Aces. Boys 13 category, please proceed to field number 5.
Apas nito doon, apas nito sa.
0. Hindi yung hat-trick ko dun eh. Nakuha na, 5 na. 5. Na, pero ko katong first game. Ang makunda ko, convert lang ng memory card. Kita mo nga ito dahil.
Pero priority lang ng school. Madang priority.
Dave, adto sa daw dire.
Isa sa abo. Dua, tulo. Para mo igo, argin bro. Ito yung gamit.
Please prepare, boys 13 category at field number 5. Please prepare. Please proceed to field number 5. Walls versus intangibles. Bracket A of boys 13 category. Bracket A of boys 13 category. Please prepare at field number 5. Next game, walls versus intangibles. Walls versus intangibles, boys 13 category at field number 5.